Come on, dude. Yes. Boy!
Monster.
That's a tank right there, dude. Yeah, he's got fucking somebody cut line coming out of his fucking throat.
There's people who've been watching.
Yeah, look, there's a bait stuck in his fucking mouth. Giant, dude. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh, yeah, I think we found where we need to be. Yeah, go ahead. There was a school of these too. Six-two. Yeah, when I saw them, I was like 6-pounder big. 6'3". Understand. The way they're hugged tight. Yeah, there's a couple of them up there too, shallow. See? Whining near the bottom. That's a good one too. Get that one. Start with a 4-pounder. God damn. Alright. Just slow winding near the bottom. I didn't even see him. Look at that active target. Start with that 4-pounder. GoPro stuff. That's what I'm talking about. Just throw it all of them until one fucking eats. Yeah, see, there's a couple more up here too. Look at 30 right now. There we go.
Oh, that's a monster, dude. You flipping them?
Yeah.
That's a 4. Attaboy.
Black spot on his tail, look. Tattoo. Like a few coming up. You sure you don't want to throw an Alabama rig?
Let's see what happens.
That's another chunky monkey. God grant me the serenity to accept a few things and accepting my patience for a bass fisherman, and thank you so much. GoPro stopper. Too bad you didn't learn to slow roll one until we got here, man. Not to mix with the fucking bees. That's a good one too. Fat.
A chunky monkey.
Too bad you didn't learn that till here at Nockamixon with such. Dude, look how fat that fish is.
I know, I just saw.
Cause that shit. Fucking God, finally, dude. Good one, too. Jesus, man. What in the hell took y'all so long? Huh? It took me that long to catch that motherfucker. You asshole. GoPro, stop recording. shall we? I'll take you. We know not to come till after 12 o'clock now. Not bad. Look, it's pretty fucking big. Might be pushing 5, honestly. That's a good 4.5, 4 3/4. GoPro. Fucking mark on the tail, huh? 4 something.